वेलकम टू अनदर वीडियो, अनदर डे। आज लेके आ रहा हूँ और एक लाइक सेट ऑफ टॉयज। सो दीज आर फ्रॉम अ ब्रांड कॉल्ड मॉन्स्टर जैम। ओके, सो दीज आर वेरी पॉपुलर इंटरनेशनली, बहुत पॉपुलर है एंड मे बी नॉट दैट मच अवेलेबल इन इंडिया। आई हैव सीन रेयरली ऑन सम साइट्स लाइक Amazon एंड Flipkart, बट नॉट ऑलवेज अवेलेबल और रेडीली अवेलेबल। सो जब भी मुझे मिला, आई हैव ग्रैब्ड दिस एनीवेज। सो यू कैन सी these are three kinds of monster jam monster trucks from Monster Jam. Okay, these two was a set, this comes as a set. Okay, and this one is a different one, comes as single, this one. So this is called a grave digger. This is completely plastic, like the wheels are also plastic, this is also plastic. The name is grave digger, you can see. These two, one of this is called Max D, आप देख रहे हो, and this is called Aftershock. Like fairly good size is there. Local जो अपने monster jams या monster trucks मिलते हैं, like the friction powered. Okay, this one, the size is almost similar, आप देख सकते हो, but obviously these are complete plastic, very delicate, local market made. But and this is complete metal. I mean नीचे का तो plastic है obviously, but still it's like the quality of the wheels is very good. The tires are branded, the BKT, like as you see in the Monster Jam events are there, like similar to that. And this is completely metal, आप देख सकते हो, ये पूरा metal है, similar to this. This is also metal, this is also metal, and this is plastic. They are very sturdy, very sturdy, and these are free wheel. Like it's not like they have some friction power or something like this. These the local ones. These are complete free wheels. Quality is awesome, you can say, compared to these ones. And this is the plastic one from that. ये एक सिंगल पीस में आता है, and this is a bit cheaper than these two. Scooby Doo and Mystery Machine का भी एक सेट आता है. I tried my level best to get the set, but अभी तक वो मुझे मिला नहीं है. Always out of stock हो जाता है whenever I try to purchase it. So I've got this set instead. So overall it's a good toy. There is no suspension kind of a thing to this. Okay, but anyways, what you can expect, this is a branded toy basically. So you can say a licensed version also of Monster Jam. It's a collectibles favorite, you can say. I'm trying my level best to get more Monster Jams, but still till date I've not got more. These are a great Monster Jam pair of collections. Very good for children. Children are very happy and tough also. Like these are full metal, you can say. So very tough also. So nothing happened to it. See, you can like pull it like this. You can put it like this. Nothing happens to this. Very tough. So guys, that's it. If you like this video, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel and bye bye.